Okay, I'm here with my friend Hayden and my little brother Jensen. Now today, we're gonna skeet shoot all these bottles and cans that we found from the trash. Just fill them up with water and put food coloring in them. Okay? Now, he'll go first. We'll just start, and we'll see how this goes.
Here, let's check out this one.
Pause.
Hey, don't you check this out?
Here, let's go over. Alright, we loaded her up, and now Jensen's gonna go first. You ready?
Oh.
That looks like a hit. Show him the thing. Okay.
Ooh, I got that.
Yeah, you just hit the bottom.
Skimmed the bottom.
Yeah,
oh, no, I did not skim that.
Yes, you did. That's just a skim. See?
Okay.
Alright, who wants to go next? Alright, so we're just gonna shoot these Coke cans real quick. Alright, go ahead. Okay, cool. This is not very good. Bullets again? Yeah. Oh, let me see it. Let me see it. There's one in the green too. Let me see it. Like just a tiny bit. Are you still recording?
Yep.
Alright. We're just gonna reload this one real quick.
Yeah.
So Alright, you ready?
Mhm.
Alright. There. Alright. Just aim like a tiny bit off to the left. Okay. And you should just be like right on. Make sure that you're standing now. A little bit to the right. Minor kind of. We're having some minor complications with the pistol. It's not sighted in at all.
By the way, give him a subscribe because he only has subscribers from his family.
Okay, so.
And give it a big thumbs up.
You only put one bullet in? I put multiple. Hold on. Shoot it. Right, are you sure?
And turn on those notifications. And maybe comment if you can.
I just throw the rest in here. This is not going great. Yeah, it's really not. I feel like an idiot.
Do you want to move on to the next thing?
No, we're gonna do this.
Okay.
If I can't hit it, then we'll just shoot it with the...
Ready?
Yep. You can try again. Do you want to?
You want to try a different thing? We tried the purple.
Are you shooting now? I guess, yeah. Which one do you want to shoot? I'll shoot one of the small ones. Which ones? These ones? Doesn't matter. Okay.
The pink actually looks like a strawberry. Let's go check it out.
I'm better at something, but I can't do this. What does it look like? Yeah, right there. Right there, and then there's some just random.
Oh yeah, they're still in there. Well, some of them aren't.
Actually, 3. A lot went through. I don't even know how they go. I don't even know how they go through. You ready?
Yep.
Cool. Okay, and.
Cool.
Oh, it
You
popped.
missed.
Yes, you did. It popped. No, you didn't. Oh, he did? No, that's from ground.
Yeah, that's from hitting the ground. Hitting the ground popped it.
All right, we can refill it.
Yeah.
Just why don't you run inside and refill it?
No, Carly.
No, run
You
inside.
still have a lot more.
Throw it from. Yeah, just throw it.
Go.
Pull. Whoa! Oh my God.
I'm not being slow.
Let's try that again. I got it.
Here, I'm gonna try one more.
Oh yeah.
Fail.
What if I would have shot?
Try
Oh,
2.
we gotta-
Go.
That's it. Yeah, that popped. Well, it counts. No,
Mine didn't count.
I shot above it. Dude, it sounds like fireworks.
It does.
Going into.
Can I try now?
Someone was recording. You ready? Okay. I'm going.
Told ya.
It didn't pop.
Whenever you're ready.
Oh,
Okay,
yeah.
since she couldn't hit it in the skeet, we're just gonna have her shoot it.
Just shoot it whenever.
I realize that I'm shaking, but I don't care.
I can't.
What do you mean you
Pull the
can't?
trigger.
Oh wait. This. Now try.
Is the safety on? Deep breaths.
Okay, it's safety.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
It's
Oh,
only-
yeah.
Yeah, it's safety.
Okay,
Okay.
go.
Where'd that go?
She missed.
Hey.
There you go.
Hey.
Did it go straight through?
Oh yeah.
Yep.
I didn't go.
Yeah.
I didn't go all the way through.
Cool. Maybe I'll
Alright.
start getting into this YouTube thing. I haven't done this in a while.
Oh my
Oh.
God.
Ooh. Okay, whose turn is it now?
None. Okay.
Don't aim down. Aim up.
Okay.
Alright. Ready? Tell me when. What's this? Pull. There you go. I think that like 3 is okay. I don't think that all of the bottom. Yeah. No, you hit the side.
Let me hit the bottom.
Yeah, that's why it didn't break on the bottom.
I hit it.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Dang, that's
Is
like
it my
5
turn
pills.
now?
No, it's mine.
No.
Oh, you hit one right there too.
I'm gonna say that.
You can.
Pause it.
I'll just do so. All right.
Go.
Pull. I hit it right.
No, I just got whiz past.
No, I think I got like 2 in it.
Maybe. I just thought it was whiz
Yeah,
past.
I
and then it popped.
got like 1 or 2.
Oh, geez.
Yeah, that's a bullet.
Oh yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go shoot it. Can I see the hole?
Yeah, right there. Cool.
Don't do that, Landon.
And then there's like 1.
He broke the wee.
Pause.
Go.
All right, ready?
Pull.
You hit it or did it pop?
It
No, it popped.
I may have hit it.
I threw it way too low. It slipped out of my hand.
Why does that keep on popping though?
It's super big.
Landon, can I shoot your can I shoot your jug?
Look. You don't have to pop it. Look. It'll take you down. You hold this down.
Hey, Hayden,
Fall down.
Oh, well.
can I chuck yours?
Well,